Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Goldman Sachs mutual fund account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for Goldman Sachs mutual fund account, login, and then hit on enter. After doing so, you'll be taken to this interface with many results on your screen. Click on the first link that pops up, and this will take you to the official website of Goldman Sachs. And here you can see on the mutual funds account section an option for logging into your account. Click on it. After you do so, you'll be taken to a different page where now you need to input your personal details to continue to your bank account. Here, give it some time to load and it will load up on your screen. As you can see, now you need to input your username and password to help you log in into your account. Just input your username and then your password. But in case you forgot your username or even your password, you can easily reset and retrieve them by using these buttons down here. Now just tap on login after inputting your credentials, and then you'll be logged in into your Goldman mutual funds account. And this was for this video, and that's how you can log in into your Goldman Sachs mutual fund account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.